Hello everyone, I am Sumati. Play is really the work of childhood, as quoted by Fred Roger. At St. Joseph School, CBSE, we believe that kids learn better in an environment where they are given an opportunity to explore and have fun as they learn. Fun and Frolic Day is one such initiative which provides a platform for creative and activity-based learning for our pre-primary children. Fun and Frolic Days are conducted regularly to help the tiny tots of kindergarten to learn various concepts in a fun way by doing a variety of activities. It is one of the days which the students and teachers look forward to every month. Teachers are well prepared with the theme and activities pertaining to the concept, and students are eager to take part in the joyful learning activities conducted outside the classroom setup. This academic year, all of us are going through challenging times due to the pandemic and are unable to carry out all the scholastic and co-scholastic activities as usual. However, we are not letting this period of crisis dampen our spirit. Hence, we intend to conduct the first Fun and Frolic event of the academic year 2020-21 virtually. Thank you.
Hello and a warm welcome to each and every one of you to our very first Fun and Frolic event. My name is Tina Martis and I'm going to talk to you on the theme of our first virtual fun that we have planned for this month. I would like to share the theme we are hosting for you, dear children. The theme is My Family. What is a family? A family is a group of people who live together in the same house. We have small families and big families. Small families are called nuclear families, where you have father, mother, brother, sister and you. Big families are also called joint families, where you have grandparents, parents, children, uncles, aunts and cousins living together. Why do we need a family? Family is the most important and valuable gift that God has given us. What a blessing it is to have a home, to feel accepted and belonged. Family is an important word. Family means love. Being in a family means you are part of something wonderful. It means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life, no matter what. It is about faith, understanding, hope and moral values. This is one of the main reasons why the family is important in our life. So now let's get the ball rolling with some fun-filled activities. Our dear teachers have lined up a few activities which you can do with your family. The activities are photo frame activity, paper collage activity. We hope you all take part in the activities with your loved ones today. Have a wonderful day and a great week ahead. Thank you. Take care and stay safe.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and staying safe at home. My name is Sneha. I present before you the important instructions for the first Fun Frolic of this academic year, which will be conducted virtually. Children, we have planned two activities for you. They are photo frame making and collage activity. Dear parents, kindly encourage your ward to take part in the activities. Child's work is encouraged under parents' guidance. Please assist your child when he or she is working on a particular activity. Once the activity is completed at home, kindly click a picture and mail it to us. The creative artwork of the students will be collated and presented in the form of a video, which will be shared with all of you. The email ID to post the creative work of your child is sjscbsefnf@gmail.com. I repeat, sjscbsefnf@gmail.com. Last date for submission of the completed activity is 21/9/2020, Monday. I repeat, last date for submission of the completed activity is 21/9/2020, Monday. We look forward to the active participation of your child. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents. I am Padmavati. I will be talking about the activity part for the fun and frolic. The name of the activity is photo frame making. Now, I will be showing how to make a photo frame using KG cardboard, glitter tape, ice cream sticks and Fevicol. This is how you can go about. This is an example how it can be done. Kindly stick a family photograph in the photo frame and share the picture. These are the different kinds of photo frames which has been done already. You are welcome to use your creativity to make your photo frame. Please note that the children must be actively involved in the process. Thank you.
Good morning children, I'm Anita. Today I'll be showing how to do a paper collage activity. Material required: glue, crepe paper, glaze sheet. Now I'll be showing how to do the activity. You'll be taking this crepe paper, tearing into small pieces. This is how it should be done. The picture of the collage activity will be shared in the PDF format. Thank you.